Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve our first problem on the data structure area. So I want to show you how to access them because it's not as the previous one. When you are opening the problem solving area, you have all this problem, and so far we have solved all of the easy problem except the one for game theory. I feel like they are not really beginner friendly, so I'm going to solve them at the end of the easy problem. So you have this data structure area which actually gives you problems data structure related. So you are going to solve problem related to array, related to tree, and it's interesting for everyone to be comfortable with those problems because it will help you to be more prepared for the upcoming problems. So we are first going to solve the array problems. So we have four of them. The first one is this one. So today we are going to solve this one, and continually we are going to solve all of them until we are done with all of the easy problem in the data structure. And after that we are going to dive into the game theory problems, and only after the game theory that we are going to move to medium problems. Let's dive in. So in this problem, we receive as input an array, and the problem statement is to reverse the array. So you receive an input an array like this 1 4 3 2, and the goal is to return the reverse version, which is 2 3 4 1. Okay, honestly for this there are actually a lot of built-in functions that help us to do so, but I will not advise you to do so. What do I mean by built-in function? You can use like this function, the reverse function, that actually reverse the array. You can do something like this and you just return a this function reverse array. You just give the initial pointer and the end pointer, and you want to reverse all the arrays, so you give the beginning and the end of the array, and by doing so you are going to have everything right. But if you are a beginner, this doesn't help you that much, in the sense of it don't actually help you understand how to loop through an array, how to access element in an array. So we are not going to go with this. What we are going to do is that we are going to create I would say a result array that with this type that will keep the output. So we are going to have result, no, we are going to have vector of int result, and now we are going to return that vector, return the result. So this is actually the array that will store the reverse version. Now to store the reverse version, we have two options. Either we loop the initial array from left to right and the insert element from right to left in the second one, or we loop the array from right to left and then insert the element from left to right in the result array. So those are the two options. I'm going to go with the second option. So I'm going to loop my array from the right to the left. So I'm gonna say for int I moving from a dot length, a dot size minus 1. Why a dot size minus 1? A dot size is actually the size of the vector. So if I have an array of size 4, the last index is 3. That's why I'm going to a of size minus 1. I'm gonna say I less as greater or equal to 0, because why I is greater than 0, that means I'm not at the end, I need to continue. I plus plus. Am I missing something? No, it's this one. Okay, so at this loop is actually helping me to move from right to left. So the first element is this one, the second is this one. So I just need to add those elements in my result array one after the other. So what I will say is that I will say result dot pushback of a of I. So by doing so, this element is going to this array of elements is going to be added to this array of elements which is empty at the beginning, one by one, starting from the last one. And let us run and see what it gives. We have an error, so I'm missing something. Okay, let us see. I minus minus, because I'm decrementing. Yeah, I'm decrementing here. Correct, everything. Okay, let us submit. Everything is okay, perfect, it's working. So try on your own to do the other option. That means you're moving in this array instead from the first to the last one, and you insert them in this array in the reverse order. It's a little bit tricky, but it's interesting because if you are able to do so, you know that you can consider yourself as someone comfortable with array, because you will need to um, understand that empty array, you cannot access the end of empty array, so you need to initialize your array with a given size, and then you need to know how to compute the reverse version of a given position and to insert the element at that position. So the second approach is a little bit trickier, but it's also interesting. I will challenge you to do so and share with me what you did. Let us see. So this was my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to give me a feedback. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. Stay tuned for the next video for tomorrow. And yeah, see you.